What's up, guys? Miggy built my 96 Honda Civic, be my daily driver, and now it's just gotten kind of out of hand.
How did it get out of hand?
Wanted to go faster. It's an LSV Tech 85mm dart and sleeves, Arius pistons with mainly turbo tough rods, stock crankshaft, competition twin disc, has Super Tech springs and retainers in the stock GSR cylinder head with Skunk 2 tuner 3s and an Edelbrock Victor X, tuned on the 85 by Mostro Tuning.
How is it driving the car on the street and at the track? Because you do a lot of street driving this thing. You bring the slicks in with you.
Sometimes it's comfortable, sometimes it's uncomfortable, sometimes you do it to want to do it, sometimes just, you know, it's the love of the hobby, wanting to build something, put your name behind it, make it fast, enjoy it, and then just come out and have fun, meet new people. I've owned the car for about 6-7 years. Been turbo for about two or three. It started its life with a stock GSR, went built on motor, then nitrous, then I experimented turbo, broke like 4 motors, learned my lessons, and then just kept going from that. And then just, I've been having people help me, IPG, CW Pants, Mostro, you know, just people luckily just blessed me and took me under the wing and helped me get the car to where it is today. Without them, I wouldn't have made it anywhere.
What is the fastest pass you have so far today?
Today, the fastest I've gone is 10.0, hitting some type of limiter early. Fastest the car's ever been is 9.8 at 140, I believe. Letting off at the 1,000 foot, trying to qualify for 10.0, and broke out. What I do.
So what's the background on this motor? So we heard you hit a cat, had to flip the intercooler. The block, you kind of fixed the block.
And a low budget guy, I try to save a buck wherever I can. This block through a rod. I had a buddy of mine weld it back together and seal it back up. Then came here once, hit a cat, bent the radiator support, intercooler piping, redid all that as best I could. You know, used what I had, made it work. Had my buddy Tarek at Race Genetics Fabrication help me modify some of the stuff that needed modifying. I ain't a welder. I just did what I could with what I had. Setup, combination, applying yourself, learning how to drive it. You don't always need horsepower. It's just a matter of track time, passes, getting to know the car, what the car likes, what it doesn't, setting it up suspension-wise, getting the short track correct. It's a vary of everything, man. Like, if it was that easy, everybody would go fast first lick. There's a reason that there's people that sit there and have to live this life in order to get somewhere with it. But it's not as easy as people make it seem on YouTube, on TV, you know what I'm saying? It's difficult. It's time consuming, you know, it takes a toll on families, your pocket, your mind. It's a hobby you gotta immerse yourself into, because if you only do it halfway, you ain't gonna go very far. Broke a clutch, used this from another buddy of mine. Me and my friend Eric thrashed, got the car home at 11, dropped the tranny, resurfaced everything as best we could with a drill, and just put everything back together, made it happen to come out here and see how far I get in the eliminations with 10-0. Hopefully I make it far. I haven't had very much luck lately, but you never know. Drag racing's like 80% luck, 20% skill at this point.
On the dot, bro, on the brakes. Are you kidding me? So Mickey, looks like you took home first place.
Yeah, man.
How do you feel?
Hard work pays off. Ecstatic. It's just one of those things, man. I didn't expect to win. Yesterday I was here with a slipping clutch. I was like, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm done with it. Swapped the clutch and put some used clutches that my boy gave me, and it worked. It held together. I did my thing, and it happened.
What happened in the semifinals with that run with the all-motor car? How close was that?
Man, I'm gonna have to look at the GoPro and pull that out, but literally he short-tracked me all the way past the 8th. I put it in 4th. I came around him, and I thought I was gonna break out, and with my look, I knew I was going to. So I backed off of it, hit the brake, saw the wind light come on, and that's why I don't have a voice. And then the finals didn't make it any better.
And then the finals, what happened in the finals? So you guys were like at the tree for a long time.
Yeah, same concept. Like we were sitting there with the staging beams on, waiting for the tree to come down. When the tree came down, we were so hesitant to not eat it, so we didn't cut a good light. Then he got out on me. Rear wheel drive, front wheel drive, can't compare it. He got out on me, and I was just like, I tried not to get desperate and just do my job as a driver and drive it. put it in fourth, same concept. Came up on him, started to come up around him, drove by him, looked at him, and then got back out of the throttle right around here, just to try and not break out, and it went 10.06. So
you would have had broken. You would have broken.
If I wouldn't have let out and hit the brake, it would have broke out. Trophy, and then my boy over there, childhood friends, grew up since kids. I take the 10.0 and he runners up in 11.50, and he didn't even want to come. I told him, I was like, dude, just try it. Your car's consistent. You're good at lights. You do your duty as a driver. Try it. You never know. Lo and behold, it comes up runner up.
That's awesome,
bro. It's like a fairy tale. Can't duplicate this. This probably won't happen again, so I gotta live it in the moment right now.
That's all. Congrats, man.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys. You guys went good luck charms, man.
Yes.
You guys came out and come on. Had such a long day with the clutch, I wasn't even thinking straight.
Good, bro.
And you didn't even want to come. You see?
Yeah.
You see what happens?
It is what it
You're
is.
like,
We
no,
out
I
here.
don't want to go. You know, I'm not competitive. My car only goes 11.6. And then you run her up.